Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making mutton masala gravy. This is a semi gravy type which is a great side dish for roti, chapati, idli, dosa and also goes excellent with rice and biryani. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients that we need to make this recipe. Here I have got 750 grams of mutton. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric to the mutton. Mix and leave it for 10 minutes. Then wash and drain the mutton completely. To this I am adding 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, some salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1.5 tablespoons of chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Mix all the ingredients together, cover, let it sit on the side for an hour. Heat a pressure pan on medium flame with 3 tablespoons of oil and 1.5 tablespoons of ghee. To this add whole spices, 2 red chilies. Fry this for 30 seconds. Add 3 onions finely sliced. A handful of fresh curry leaves. I am adding half a teaspoon of salt. This will help onions to cook fast. We have already added salt while marinating the meat, so keep that in mind. Fry till the onion turns brown. This will take around 4 to 5 minutes. Now add the marinated meat to the onions. Fry on medium flame for about 7 to 8 minutes. In this stage, you can add some stock or water. I am adding 1 cup of water. Give it a nice mix. Cook the meat for 5 to 7 whistles or until the meat is tender. Now let's check the meat. It's well done. Turn on the flame. I want my gravy to be little more thick, so I'm going to cook and reduce the gravy for 5 more minutes. Gravy has come to a thick consistency. Garnish with finely chopped coriander leaves and serve hot. Soft and tender mutton gravy is ready to be served. Do give it a try and drop your feedback about this recipe in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.